It's common now for many people who sit for work to experience chronic pain, most often in the back, the neck, and or the shoulders. There's a lot of advice out there about how to sit properly so that this doesn't happen. There are gadgets and gizmos, ergonomic chairs, and standing desks. There are exercise routines and there are stretches. But really, how well does any of this work? Now, when your bones are aligned, it should be possible to sit up straight without effort or pain. Instead of consciously positioning yourself as you think you should, for example, pulling the shoulders back and down, arching the back, sucking your belly in, consider that it's your muscles that are tight and are pulling on your bones. Therefore, sitting up straight is not comfortably possible for you. You need to learn to let your muscles go. Now, I once worked with a woman. She had chronic neck and back pain for 10 years. So in our first private clinical somatics session, this is hands-on clinical work, I taught her how to release all the muscles in the back of the body, the green light reflex, the shoulders, the muscles along the spine, the buttocks, the back of her legs. And she felt so much better. But seeing as she doesn't live life on a table, I said, let's get you in a chair, because she worked all day at the office. And I asked her to sit profile at a full-length mirror. I had her close her eyes and then gently arch and release her back, going into the green light reflex, rolling her pelvis forward, contracting her back, slowly releasing her back, and then going the other way so that she went into the red light slouching reflex and let her back go. And she did this several times. And then I asked her to slowly come up to what her brain says is straight, ready for work. And she did this. I asked her, how do you feel? Is your back relaxed? And she said, well, isn't this straight? She opened her eyes, looked at herself in the mirror, and literally gasped. She realized her back muscles were tightly contracted. Did this have something to do with her neck and back pain? She asked herself. And she decided it was a huge factor. Well, I taught her how to feel her back muscles, relax her back muscles, sit on top of her sit bones and let go of her belly. And she said, but I feel slumped, even though she looked in the mirror and she was straight, sitting comfortably with no pain. So she went home and she did this gentle mirror somatic movement exercise, and she did it daily. She did it at the office whenever she felt tension building up in her back muscles. And she reported back that she had not had neck, shoulder, or back pain in the longest time. And remember, next time you're at your desk, instead of stretching or pulling on your tight muscles, try something different. What I taught my client. Pandiculate. Contract into where you feel that tightness and tension, then slowly release out of it and switch everything off. By releasing your tight muscles, you'll allow your bones to align naturally for pain-free sitting. So please, I love hearing from you. So let me know how it goes in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.